Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Pitbull and the Kangal. We'll delve into their distinct physical characteristics, explore their unique temperaments, and understand the historical purposes for which each breed was developed. This comparison will help highlight what makes each of these powerful dogs so special and how their backgrounds influence their behavior and needs today. Get ready to learn about two truly remarkable canine companions. When it comes to physical presence, the Kangal is a true giant. Males often stand 28 to 34 inches tall and can weigh between 90 and 145 pounds. Pit bulls, on the other hand, are medium-sized, typically 17 to 21 inches tall and weighing 30 to 85 pounds. The Kangal also boasts an incredibly powerful bite force, often cited around 743 pounds per square inch, significantly higher than a pit bull's average of 235 psi. The temperaments of these breeds are largely shaped by their original purposes. Kangals were developed in Turkey as formidable livestock guardians, known for their calm demeanor, independence, and fierce protective instincts towards their flock. Pit bulls, a term often referring to American pit bull terriers, originated from bull baiting and dog fighting. Despite this history, well-socialized pit bulls are often affectionate, loyal, and energetic companions, eager to please their human families. In summary, the Kangal is a massive, powerful guardian, best suited for protecting livestock and large properties, demonstrating a calm yet fearless presence. The pit bull, while smaller, is incredibly agile and tenacious, often excelling in various dog sports and as devoted family pets. Both breeds are intelligent and loyal, but their distinct histories mean they require knowledgeable owners committed to consistent training and socialization to ensure they thrive.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.